Brussels sprouts. They don't need to be boring. Watch this. Now let's chop them in half. I haven't missed yet. Everything is going in the bucket. Everything. I have not missed. I'm not even looking at the bucket. I have not missed yet. In Vegas, they charge about $22 for one serving of Brussels sprouts, plus tax and tip. I believe I'm gonna have 2 to 3 times the amount that we would receive at one of the fancy restaurants out there. We even have these at a restaurant out west as well. Similar type of price. So we're just cleaning these up. These are gonna be nice roasted Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, Brussels sprouts do not need to be boring. And no need to try and trick the kids. They're all done. Fantastic, those are good. Okay. Now, heat your tray up first. Should have already had that in there. Hot, hot. Add some olive oil. Lay them cut side down. Careful, it's hot. Remember, it's hot. In the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. A little more balsamic, a little more honey. Brussels sprouts are not boring. Oh, that right there in a restaurant in Vegas or out west, any of these steakhouses I've been to, they're gonna charge almost 50 bucks in tax and tip. Those are so good. Wow. Yep. Boom! Freaking delicious. I'm gonna go sit down and eat all these.